Hello, everyone. This time we will be studying some key environmental requirements of our establishments. The requirements of our establishments to the requirements of major environmental laws. And this is the Presidential Decree 1586, the RA 9275, RA 8749, RA 6969, and DOW 2014-02. If you do have an impact to the environment in compliance with Section 4 and Section 5 of Presidential Decree 1586, we must have or we must secure first before implementing the project with an environmental compliance certificate or certificate of non-coverage, especially those projects that are standalone. You must secure either an environmental compliance certificate or certificate of non-coverage, including those renting a parcel of land or renting a commercial space, or for example, a mall tenant. You must secure either of these two, either the ECC or CNC. You can use EMB Memorandum Circular 2014-005 as your reference to determine if you are covered by the Philippine Environmental Impact Statement System to secure ECC or CNC. If you are generating wastewater, in your facilities and hope to discharge the wastewater to our environment, you need to secure a legal authorization from the DNR EMB called discharge permit. Those who are standalone establishments with wastewater generation and discharges must secure a wastewater discharge permit. And those who are renting a commercial space, mall tenant, and you can establish interconnection of your drainage to the building and connected to the common wastewater treatment system, you can be exempted for the application of discharge permit or acquisition of discharge permit, provided you can present a certificate of interconnection issued by the lessor or owner or operator of the wastewater treatment system. Those who are operating an air pollution source installation with or without control facilities must secure a permit to operate from DNR EMB regional office. Those who are renting a commercial space or without an air pollution source installation, you can be exempted for this requirement. Those who are generating hazardous waste that are toxic, ignitable, reactive, corrosive in nature, must register the type of hazardous waste to DNR EMB. You need to secure the DNR ID number as part of the compliance as waste generator. And if you have discharges, you have emissions and waste generation, you must have a person to monitor these activities officially accredited by DNR Environmental Management Bureau. That's all for today, and thank you for time listening. God bless us all.